karma itika tim kwere ni yun bene itemo niang nyoni gamento temo ka ki yu mo ma pa me gwa ka le tian.
Yes, to rescue the abducted kids. He's not translating well.
In terms of rescue?
Yes.
Yes. There were attempts.
So in the course of your research, did you establish a time frame within which an abducted kid or abducted kids within a region could be rescued? An attempt could be made to rescue them?
Ini time ni ang karma romani matero me la le tian ka nyo adwi ma ko ni.
Answer.
I'm saying when you are, let me make that thing, you listen to it, you can translate, then he makes an answer.
Okay.
Otherwise, I was finding out from you in the course of your research. Did you find out the response government had to rescue an abducted kid? Like if kids were abducted from this area, how quick could government respond in rescuing those abducted kids? Or you not go into that?
No, the responses were there.
Yes.
But the speed depends on the circumstances and the availability of resources, including food.
Yo ma government piu ke re me la le tian ka ke ma ke kar na ke ko me no pe ke ramo bia a to yin ni lo ke ki tie pa wel mon mo ramo ki dong no distan ma no gan jan no war ke.
If we look at over 10,000 kids who were abducted, then we can conclude that the response was not quick. To rescue them, it was not quick. Can we not make that conclusion?
The response could have been inadequate.
You go to page 142.
Mr. Laka,
much obliged, my lord.
What do we base that conclusion on? Is it your opinion? Is it something that you have carried out research on, that the response was inadequate?
Flowing from what I said, I witnessed in the internal displacement protection strategy, the troops were insufficient, and they had also little transport or means to effectively move fast to execute rescue. So that very lack of adequate number of soldiers affected the quick response of the government.
So that is a conclusion you're drawing from
my
research?
Yes.
Right, my lords. At page 142, second paragraph.
Page me a chain ke pia rangwan gario pa line ni ario.
You also seem, just for the record, read that page, that paragraph. First, one of the major motivations, yes?
First, one of the major motivations for child abduction hinge on sentimental expression, on lack of effective, efficacious, and implementable legal, institutional, and policy framework at the international level, which is meant to protect the children. A strong belief survives that the existing prohibition on recruiting children into whatever category of armed forces under international humanitarian law and international human rights law have dismally failed to eliminate the rise of abduction of children.
man berka tim ne ta tuale pem no chiek mo mi bilobo ma gao lo kum makalipiano ma ti no para.
You only tackled the weaknesses in the legal, institutional, and policy framework at the international level, meant to protect our children, and you did not tackle the same of our municipal institutional policy framework.
They all arrive or derive from international legal framework.
So we could say likewise that the municipal policy and the legal framework was also weak in protecting these kids. At implementation, it dismally failed. Okay. You understand?
Yeah. In Kipeni, in Nano, La Penny Bergoman, in Ibero Canano, check me Mamma Lovemuma Waka, after a wear on my butt Wakano. You don't Ano Gamani, La Penny, Ano Gamani, Macan, Bernano, Timagar, check more per and then Nana, Ethano, check more Mamma Locoman, to have a Tiana Timage, no Paramati fully.
My friend had tackled, Mr. Evans Ochenga had tackled the issue of indoctrination, but I just want you to give us the sources of your information because you have dealt with indoctrination at length, for which we are grateful. So go to page 144. In page 144, 11.3.
Page me a chain Kipiara, when we are when paragraph chain Tana and when.
The heading is systematic ritualistic